To clean or replace the air filter on your Razor Trail S1000, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface and ensure it is in park. Next, pull up on the cargo box panel latch and pivot the panel up and out to remove. Before continuing, clean the area around the airbox. Next, release the two airbox cover straps. Then, pivot the cover out and lift up to remove. Inspect the airbox cover seal for any wear or damage and replace if necessary. Next, remove the filter by using a rocking and twisting motion. Inspect the filter for excessive debris or damage and replace if necessary. Before continuing, clean the intake and airbox thoroughly with a clean, dry cloth. Next, reinstall the air filter and ensure it is fully seated. Then, reinstall the airbox cover by aligning the lower retention tabs and pivoting in. Then, secure the two cover straps. Next, reinstall the cargo box panel by engaging the retaining tabs and locking into place. Then, firmly press down on the panel to engage the latch. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.